Hello everyone, welcome back to Microbiogenics. So in the last video, I have discussed about blunt-ended DNA fragment and sticky-ended DNA fragment. So in this video, I am going to discuss about how we can convert a blunt-ended DNA fragment into a sticky-ended form. There are basically three methods which can be applied to convert a blunt-ended DNA into a sticky-ended form. So let's look the different methods of creation of sticky-ended DNA fragment from a blunt-ended DNA fragment. Linker, adapter and homopolymeric tailing. So coming to the first one, that is the linker. Linkers are basically oligonucleotides that are artificially synthesized. Oligonucleotides are nucleotide sequence of very short range, and the specialty of this linker is that the sequence of the linker contains the recognition sequence of a restriction endonuclease. So suppose this is the linker, and this linker will contain recognition sequence for a restriction endonuclease. The sequence of the linker will contain within itself the recognition sequence of a restriction endonuclease. So a restriction endonuclease will recognize this sequence. This sequence will be recognized and it will cut the linker molecule within this recognition sequence. And what will be the result? So as a result of the cutting by the restriction endonuclease, these linkers will be producing a fragment that is sticky ended. So the result will be like this. So after recognition by the restriction endonuclease and cutting of the restriction endonuclease, the linkers, the blunt ended linkers will be converted into these structures. So this is how the linkers can be digested by a restriction endonuclease to form sticky ended fragments. Now what is the utility? How the linkers can convert a blunt ended DNA fragment into a sticky ended form? Let's look that. So focus in this diagram. This is a blunt-ended DNA. We want to convert this DNA fragment into a sticky-ended form. So this is the target. This is basically the target DNA which we want to convert into sticky-ended form. So this blunt-ended DNA is mixed with linker molecules. So basically a reaction mixture is taken which contains the target DNA which has to be converted into sticky-ended form and the linkers. And look into this thing. The linkers are present in excess amount. So large quantities of linkers are present in the reaction mixture, whereas blunt-ended DNA is present in very small amount. Now the reaction mixture contains the linkers and the blunt-ended DNA fragments. So now reaction will occur, DNA ligase will perform the ligation reaction, and what will occur? This blunt-ended DNA will be joined with the linkers. So linkers will bind at the ends of the blunt-ended DNA by the action of DNA ligase. After ligation reaction, the blunt-ended DNA fragment is attached with linkers at its two ends. Now what is done? This resultant product is treated with the restriction endonuclease that has the recognition sequence within the linker molecule. So after treating this product with restriction endonuclease, it will cut within this sequence. This enzyme will cut within this sequence of the linkers. So it will cut like this. It will act at both the ends of the DNA fragment which is ligated with linker. So after digestion, these DNA ends will be converted into sticky ended form because this linker has the recognition sequence of this restriction endonuclease, and after digesting with this restriction endonuclease, the linkers will be fragmented and will be producing sticky ended forms. So the concept is blunt ended DNA is treated with excess of linkers and ligation reaction is performed. So DNA ligase will link this blunt ended DNA with the linker molecule, and this linker molecule has the recognition sequence for a particular restriction endonuclease. And now we treat this product with this particular restriction endonuclease. So what will happen? This restriction endonuclease will cut within the linker sequence and as a result the linkers will be converted into sticky ended form. And because the linkers are attached with the blunt ended DNA fragment, so the entire product, if we look into the entire product, it will be converted into sticky ended form. So this is the concept behind the linkers.